dark, your heart beats loud, I feel a spark. Cold hands wanna touch your warmth. This love is far from the norm. Your eyes so full of life and light, my heart's a hollow night. We belong to different sides, yet our love abides. Oh, it's a forbidden love, zombie with a human touch. Hearts colliding, different worlds, our love unfurls its worlds. My love for you should not exist, but it's something we both will miss. If I let go now, I may never find again. Double-edged sword, we both can't win. You walk the night, you have no fear. I crave to whisper in your ear. A chase that ends where shadows blend, but this love we cannot defend. You smile but don't understand these ghastly feelings I can't withstand. We dance in shadows down the street, but we are shadows incomplete. Oh, hear the whispers of the grave, risk it all, be brave. Our love against the tide, but we cannot hide. Oh, it's a forbidden love, zombie with a human touch. Hearts colliding, different worlds, our love unfurls its worlds. My love for you should not exist, but it's something we both will miss. If I let go now, I may never find again. Double-edged sword, we both can't win. Hear the whispers of the grave, risk it all, be brave. Our love against the tide, but we cannot hide. Oh, it's a forbidden love, zombie with a human touch. Hearts colliding, different worlds, our love unfurls its worlds. My love for you should not exist, but it's something we both will miss. If I let go